Hey guys, it's Medicosis Perfectionalis one more time, and today let's talk about epithelium. You find it everywhere. It's on the outside surface of your skin, and it's lining the hollow organs from the inside. So let's get started. So here's how it works. You have a cell, group of cells, you'll form a tissue. Group of tissues, then you have an organ. Group of organs, they have systems such as the respiratory system, the cardiovascular system, etc. And those systems together, they perform body functions. So again, a tissue is a group of cells suited for a specific function. There are 4 types of tissue. The epithelial tissue, also known as the epithelium, connective tissue, muscle tissue, and nerve tissue. Let's listen to the epithelium, and he will talk about himself. Hey, I'm the epithelium. I cover the body and I line its cavities. I stand over a basement membrane and I aspire towards the outer body surface or the inside of a cavity. So, the epithelium has 2 surfaces. One of them is near the basement membrane and the other is near the outer surface or the cavity. I'm the active person in this enterprise. I do the job. I am the parenchyma, while this ugly, useless connective tissue only provides support. The connective tissue only forms the strama. So, there is a difference between strama and parenchyma. For every organ has a strama, which is the bed, or the connective tissue matrix, or the skeleton, and it has a parenchyma, which is the visceral flesh or the main bulk of a substance. So let's give you like an analogy. A car, okay? So here is a car. A car has several things, okay? But we can divide it into 2 categories. Number 1, the skeleton, also known as the chassis. And second is the main thing, such as the engine. Okay, so the skeleton is the strama. The main substance, the main thing that will perform the function is the parenchyma. So what is the strama? The strama is the bed that holds the cell. It provides the structure and no specific function to that specific organ. Very nice. The parenchyma, on the other hand, is the bulk. It provides the function. Okay, so for example, in the brain, the parenchyma is the neuron, the nerve cell itself. And in the lungs, they are the alveoli. Parenchyma is the functional unit. The strama is just the structure that supports the functional unit. So, is epithelium part of the parenchyma or the strama? The answer is the parenchyma. It's the functional part. So where do we find the epithelium? You find it in the epidermis, on the outer surface of your skin. It's lining the cavities such as your stomach, so on the inner surface of the stomach. It's lining the cavities such as the alveoli in your lungs. And it's lining the blood vessel from the inside called the endothelium. The epithelium is polarized. How come? Because one surface is close to the basement membrane and the other surface is close to the outer side. It's polarized. Classification of the epithelium. First, based on the number of layers. If it's 1 layer, it's called simple epithelium. More than one, it's called stratified, made of layers of strata. Pseudostratified, okay. It looks stratified, so it appeared to have many layers, but actually it's just 1 layer. That's why we call it pseudostratified. It's not true stratified. Second, classification of epithelium based on the shape. Here is the squamous cell, here is the cuboidal cell, and here is the columnar cell. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like to see you on Facebook, and please consider supporting this channel on Patreon. Thank you so much. This is Medicosis Perfectionalis. Be safe, stay happy, and study hard. In the next video, we'll talk about the connective tissue.